G'day guys, today we're going to take a look at the new MotoCase from Lone Rider. If that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Well, thanks for staying tuned. Okay, let's start off with a little unboxing.
Oh, what's in the box?
Knife. That's a knife.
Well, there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. I had a lot of fun putting together that sequence. If you've been to my channel before, you'll know that I've got a great sense of humor. I'm a little bit sarcastic and I can take a joke at my own expense. It's been a while since I've put together any videos. The last one I did was on the launch of the BMW R1250 GS Adventure. The video went viral. I had 24,000 hits in less than a week.
Das war ein Befehl! Der Angriff Steiners war ein Befehl!
But unfortunately, some snowflake complained and I got a social media ban. So I haven't been able to post anything for some time now. Anyway, if you're into my type of humor and you appreciate it, then maybe stay tuned for some other videos. Okay, let's have a look at the MotoCase. Again, I've had this unboxed, sorry, I've had this boxed in my garage for a couple of months now, and I've been itching to get at it, but because of that social media ban, I haven't been able to make a review video. Anyway, let's have a look at the box and get right into it, literally. So in the unboxing part of this review, we've had a look at the various components, but we'll take another quick look just as a refresher. So you've got your attachment plate. Now when you order the box, you have to order the one that suits your motorcycle, because there's various ones in here and I don't think they'll cross fit. First off, what I'm going to say is the quality of this thing is absolutely out of this world. You know, it really is great components, but you know what, it comes at a cost. I'm not sure what the retail is off the top of my head, because it's a long time since I ordered it, but I think it's in excess of $1,000 Australia.
And that's a hell of a price to pay for being stylish.
So you can do the math on your own currency if you're not here in Australia. So yeah, that is the mounting plate. You also get, for the MOLLE side panels, they send you through some Velcro, or hook and loop as they call them. Again, don't want to get banned from media again. Hook and loop attachments, so you can attach anything onto here. I'm going to be using this for my video travels, my camping expeditions, and I'll probably end up putting a tripod on there and some extra bags on the side. So there's your, you know what, there's your Velcro.
Got it? Okay. Now fuck off.
Okay, there's your Velcro straps. Other hardware that goes with the attachment plate. There's also another bracket that goes with the attachment plate. You get 2 sets of BMW codable barrel locks. So that is an advantage. If you're riding a BMW, you'll be able to code this to your key, and only use the one key, so the key that comes with the bike. This is part 1 of this series. In part 2, I'm going to make an install video and I'm going to show you how to code up your keys, so stay tuned for that one. You also get a web netting, let's call it a pouch, that goes on the inside of the box. I'll show you that in a second where that goes. And this is really useful, saves you having to dig out your phone out of your pocket or take it off your handlebars if that's where you keep it. And this is a rechargeable, USB rechargeable light. Okay, and that fits inside the lid. And you also get a merch pack. Let's have a look inside. As I said, construction is fantastic, the quality is amazing, but it comes at quite a hefty price tag. So we'll open up the lid. All you do is, in fact I've already got it unlocked, so you pull out this little catch. Obviously you would unlock it if you've got it locked, and then open up the lid. Now the cool thing about this box is that the lid can stay wherever you like. Wherever you put it, it stays there without dropping on your fingers, and it doesn't need any wires. There's no gas struts or anything, so that is a really great idea. If we look under the lid, you can see these little, I call them pegs, and that's where you're going to attach your webbing strap, so you can put things like gloves and stuff like that, or your hat under there. You know, when you jump on the bike, you can stick your hat under there. And then if we have a look inside, I'm just pointing, this is how woke society's gone. And this isn't Lone Rider's fault, they must buy these obviously by the million. Silica gel, throw away, do not eat. I mean, what sort of an idiot? Where's society going? It's crazy. All right, let's have a look inside. So you also get, and I haven't opened it up yet, I've been saving this for you guys. So you also get a fully waterproof bag, an inner bag. And the great thing about this is that you know, you can actually bolt this down to the mounting plate and always leave it on the bike if you like. So you can fill up the bag with any gear that you want to take out, and then you can take that into your hotel room, into the shops if you're going to do some shopping. Yeah, poor buggers. And also into your tent, your hotel or whatever, without taking the box off the back of the bike. The other cool thing is, and you might have spotted this on the intro video, if you have a breakdown or an incident, there's actually a warning triangle on the back there, and if you've ever ridden in Europe, you'll know that is actually a legal requirement to carry one. So you can actually drop this down behind your bike and warn the cars coming up, or any other vehicles coming up, that there's a bit of an issue. So again, we'll take a quick look at the MOLLE. The MOLLE panels are made out of I'm not sure if it's a plastic or it's certainly not steel, but you know, with steel then you get that weight and you get a premium for building them. I think these look great. They look I don't know, let's call it tactical. Let's call it tactical. I think they look great, but if you're not a fan, there's, you know, 4 bolts, I think it is, 4 screws on each panel, and you can take those off and just leave them at home if you're not a fan of that. If you have a look on the top there, I'll just flip this over. There's some tie down points. There's plenty of places to lash a tent or another pack on the back of there. And really strong. You know, I reckon actually, and don't try and blame me if it goes wrong, but I reckon you could actually stand on this. Another great thing about having a MotoCase is that when you get to your campsite, or you stop for half an hour for a coffee, take this off the bike and drop it on the floor, and you've got a chair without having to carry a separate chair. So I think that's a great idea. And then when we look at the back, there's actually a great, for those of you that carry a pillion with you, there's actually a really comfy pad on the back there, which laps over the top as well. There was some talk about putting armrests on. I'm really glad that you didn't do that, Lone Rider. That's the wrong direction for me. Okay, so that's about it for this one. As I said, this is part 1, the unbox and review. Hopefully I've done a decent job of that. If there's anything you think I could have done better, yep, give me a bashing in the comments below. It's 40 degrees here today in Australia, so there's no way I'm gonna go out to the garage and start messing with the bike. In a week or so, when it cools down, I'll put together a install video and I'll show you how to install the plate, and we'll go through coding up the keys for the bike, and hopefully we can get out into the Australian bush and give you some views of the countryside. Anyway, thanks again for dropping by. Ride safe, and as always, have a great day.
Yep, that's a good one.
Today we're going to take a look at the new MotoCase from Lone Rider. I've been waiting for this for excited that it's blah 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 blah. Thanks for that. Now I'm just going to laugh. Anyway, for all you that out there, oh fuck.